Hi, Carol and Mike Church here. We are in Greenville, South Carolina at Unity Park. This is a very popular park.
Yes.
It's not too crowded today. We're during a weekday. Not quite lunchtime yet, so the warmer it gets, the more crowded it's going to get. So we're kind of early. But I just wanted to show you, do some highlights around here because it's so nice. They have spent a lot of money on this place, and it shows. It's just very clean, well kept up. They are working on parts of the playground, so we'll see that where they have it roped off, and that's normal. You know, upkeep, maintenance is a continual thing. But I did want to show you the Prisma Health Center is over here, and that's very nice. They actually have bathrooms in there.
Yep. Additional
bathrooms. They have a first aid center in there, and then they have a rental space in there, which is huge, you know, if you have an event or something. And then I just noticed this new map behind us here. That's very nice. Okay, this is the map, and then we're going to head over to the playground first before it gets too crowded. It's so pretty out here today. They do have their own bathroom over here just for the children playing, so that's pretty nice. Also throughout the park are trash, bottle, cans, and there's parking for your bicycle, and those are throughout the park. So we are headed over here to the little playground, age-appropriate playgrounds over here. That one's for the little ones. They got swings and little crawling pads, seesaw, all kinds of cool stuff. Who wouldn't like that? Very cute. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's called the Donovan Playground. Across from that are the restrooms, and then there's a family restroom, and there's a place for you to fill up your water bottle. Very nice. Okay, so here you can see they're doing some maintenance over here. Okay, Mike is going to tell you about the splash pad.
This is really unique what they built. It's like 4,100 square feet. They treated it like a pool, really. All the water gets recycled and treated, and it gets tested and verified by DHEC to make sure it's all clean each time. So it's really unique. I like it. I like it. Kids love it.
So it's Greenville water.
Water, yeah.
Okay.
Now they do have rules here, obviously.
There's a nice water
washing
fountain.
Station. Okay, so you don't get...
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so no pets allowed over here. So this is where the water comes out?
Yep. It's lit also.
Yeah.
So in the evenings it'll light up.
So you do have some shade going on. That's nice.
Yeah.
Benches.
And then the other section is over here. So there's two big sections.
How big is this?
4,100 square feet.
Wow. So this is where the water catches and drains.
It catches and it goes into a pump filtration system underneath. Gets filtered, treated, and then put back out.
Right. So this part of the playground is closed down.
But they're replacing the turf.
Working on it.
Is that what you're doing? You're replacing the turf?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here's another little playground that's very cute. And I'm not sure what ages this is for, but it has all these cool climb-on things. Oh my gosh.
Right up here is a kids zone.
Okay, yeah. Ann Watson Trotter Memorial Garden. It's got the rules here that you need to follow. Ages 5 to 12 years. Adult supervision is recommended. Shoes required. Good. And this is a pet-free playground area. That's good. So I like this cushiony surface here. Very nice.
Spongy.
Lots of climb-on things for the kids. How cute is this? Little trails, little walking trails, climb-on stuff. Oh yeah, there's a climbing wall over there. That's adorable. Now what kid wouldn't
Well,
like
this
all
is-
this? Wow.
Cushiony.
Yeah, it is. Bouncy. Okay, here's a big green space right in the middle for all kinds of activities, events.
I don't know if
Very nice. These also are throughout the park. So I'm seeing plenty of benches throughout the park. I probably could use a few more. More green space. Very nice. Okay, there's a big signage that says Unity for Unity Park. How pretty is that? And it lights up at nighttime. Beautiful. There's part of the Swamp Rabbitt Trail over there. I wanted to talk about these shelters. They have 3 shelters that I see, and you can rent them for a party, like a birthday party or just a get-together. I'll have a link below with more information. You can find out the pricing, but the rent fee does include, oh, you could probably do the code. Yeah, you can do that, scan it, and it'll tell you this is shelter A. Okay, and there's shelter C. That looks pretty big too. Very nice. Okay, here's the RO Bridge that crosses over the Reedy River, and they have really cleaned up the Reedy River a lot. It used to be looking pretty bad. So I think this lights up at nighttime, doesn't it?
I believe so.
Yeah, very nice. Wow. That is amazing. Huh. I never thought I'd see the water looking that good. Very nice. We are walking over to the Welcome Center. Need to use the restroom over here. This is the other side of it. So there's like a porch, a long porch with rocking chairs, tables, umbrellas. Love this deck. It's like that Trek stuff. Very nice.
It's the
I
Trek.
like it. And I think the bathrooms are through here. We'll see. Okay, so we are inside the Welcome Center. Here's the little first aid area. Very nice. Got little books about Greenville. Event center that you can rent. Wow, that is huge. Man, that is very nice. Okay, so they do have businesses out here and restaurants, parking. They have added some parking. Seems like there's never enough parking in these places, so get here early.
Bike and drive. Oh.
So here's a bicycle shop. They may even have rentals there. If you don't have your own bike, you can rent one. Yeah, I had to take a picture of this. That's pretty sweet. I like cars. Okay, that's the Commons. It's like an eating hall where they have all these different restaurants in there. Whatever kind of coffee. Methodical Coffee is real popular. And they're adding on down here more businesses and some more parking. Yippee!